Now me know why I don't like Starple.
Me, man.
Almost met me. Now meet my husband. What's up, Virgonation? Welcome to another episode. Yeah. So we're driving out, guys.
Well,
we're going to the gas station.
that me just say that.
Really?
Yeah, me just say, well, we have to get gas no matter what we do. So, you think them ready already, or you have to go order?
Well, we did order already, so more than likely them ready.
Okay.
What's up?
Yeah, I'll go.
More wonder you in there.
Hello, what a cutie. You're not talking to me? How are you?
She have
This
one in
strange
mind.
lady saying hello. She's
Hey,
sleeping.
auntie.
She asleep.
Oh my God.
That's Auntie
Let's
Olga.
see. How you doing? Look at the eyes. Oh my
Shut up
God.
for me.
Long for a drive out.
Yes.
Alright.
Look,
It's
man.
me. It's me.
She's looking.
Alright, now get back and come.
Alright.
Wonderful, that baby. Alright, so we're getting our fruits. And then remain as usual. Drive out the gas. So I drive out the gas out of the car, hoping that I would be driving today, so I would have to refill the tank. But guess what? Gotta work. That is working. So we have to go to the gas station next because 40 kilometers of gas is in the car. Can you believe it? Babes, I feel for ice cream.
Ice cream. Well, depends on where you want to go now. Ice creams are everywhere now. Ice creams are at the supermarket, ice creams are at the gas station, ice creams are at Devon House. You want to go to Devon House?
Yeah. Well, maybe we can drive by and see if it's possible. If it's a long line, then not gonna work out.
Alright. We can do that.
Alright.
One pair can eat today, tomorrow, and then this one.
Thanks,
But bread
okay.
food them nice. So come and put them early.
make sure.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, alright,
Later.
take care.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen for me.
I will.
Yeah.
That's my real friend in real life. Olga.
So I guess you're going now?
Yeah. We're going to shut off 1 week.
After this drive out the world, I guess.
One day since you look up on the road, my babes.
No, but there's a difference today. So when you go up on the road one time, you drive longer than me, no? You go further than me. You know, man, you can stop them. Either from yard to studio. Or,
I went to the hairdresser.
you know far there just at the front of your yard?
5 minutes.
I don't know like. Oh. I don't know, I guess, babes. Yo, the one man that stoplight will always and knock by me. You ever?
Yes.
When last you see him?
All the time. Even
Man, they come
less
body
than
up.
2 weeks ago.
About them and the body of things.
Less than 2 weeks ago.
To you. Want some money?
But I don't
Entertain him.
wanna stop close to him because I don't really like him approach.
Yeah, you make me worried 3 more. So Liz, you sure you're not getting on something there?
No.
You sure you never... That, every time you come down and you're not getting on them things, that make me kind of sorry for you now.
Thing there, what are you talking about, babes?
Sweet up.
Oh, no man, I did ask her today and she said she not seen on the market, so she not have none.
When last you eat Starple is?
You know, so I don't really fancy Starple. This is something I want me tell her too, you know? Yeah,
We did love Starple when I grew up some with that. I'll drop out on Starple tree already.
you tell me that story already nowadays. But I can't say it to me like, you know. You want to tell Virgonation about it?
Oh my God, Virgonation, I jump out of Starple tree already. You know?
It's funny, so I laugh because I never really watch funny stories. Still.
But everybody from my community I know say them, well, most people from my community remember this. My community, anything happen, everybody know. Oh my God, I'm gonna tell you that story of Virgonation right now, no delay. Let me just get some gas first. On my way to Devon House, I can tell you the story. Which side is the pan, Liz? Right side. Just stop at that one now.
Please put up your mask, sir. Thank you.
Put on my mask, sir.
Press. He pulled his mask up. Virgonation, I can't wait for to hear the story about Romain and the star apple tree. Even though, to be honest with you, it wasn't really a funny story when him tell me. I'm just grateful to say it never worse. Trust me. But I'm saying I'm gonna tell you now. Once we leave the gas station, so I can see where we're going. The pump kind of moves slow. You want my card?
Remember the password.
I mean, stop pretending, please. I love going like you don't remember my password, let me see.
Honestly, that. Here's a receipt.
Can just put it right there and sanitize.
Alright.
Sanitize. Begging some sanitizer. So, story time?
Yeah. I can't tell Virgonation about this star apple tree thing, you know. I feel like I get the most butter brews as a youth growing up. But that one of the terrible is
Why,
not, you know.
babes? Why? Why?
Because I always get some wicked drop and
How, babes?
Eh?
How?
Like,
You
how?
know where you're going?
Yeah.
So why you drive this way?
Because that's the quickest way to reach. No. Especially
Really?
from, yeah. Because all we do go sound, boom bang bang.
Rather than go straight down the Hope Road?
Yeah.
Okay. I go so now.
Yeah, so I tell you, after now my brethren, me wake up, you know, because we love climb tree when I look at youth, you know, Virgonation. Yeah man, and the man them used to tell me say, them man are bird, you know man. them man are like bird. Or someone just say, yo, them man are lizard, brother, them man are climb up anywhere. So after we did know and go link up my brethren in the morning. And the man say, yo, what wanna do? We go pick some syrup, you know? And we go over my family them yard. You know, and the syrup in banana tree they never too ready yet. So man them say, we can make a next move and go over out a common road. Now common road is about 5 minutes from about 5 to 10 minutes walk from where my family them live. And we met the Tradleys. How much that's a Virgonation, because we feel like you just get the real stories.
Alright.
Yeah. So we say, alright, I give it the Trad. And we say, alright, move to the next star apple tree them. Early morning, me I tell you about this about 9-10 o'clock, you know. Because you know country people wake early, so we wake up early and so we go take on star apple tree them. And boy, reach out, you know, and me and my cousin go up in the tree. Kojak. Yeah, me and Kojak go up in the tree, man, and I tell you, say, we did that, we pick star apple, and then, you know, the excitement of people out the road, I see we pick star apple, and I say, yo, the man, they can climb me, man. And the more them boots me, no list. The more them tell me, say, me a bird, you know, man. Them thing them want to hear as a youth, you know. Out upon them, yo, it's like me I look for this smallest limb them pick up on big star apple, because the star apple tree that it full of star apple, you know.
Yeah.
And me say, go out pan one little limb out them and you know, my cousin, him a big climber, so him a go on, him a do him thing. And while we didn't know, when I youth them in our community where, as a youth we fear him because a big man. And
so he's not a youth then.
Well, everybody a youth. You know, we call people youth. Him be young at the time. Remember say we are young.
So no kids.
11, 12-year-old. You know?
Yeah.
And him probably early 20s at the time.
Mm-hmm.
So still a youth. And me tell say the man come and the man say, yo, on the throw down some star apple. Like him I say, yo, pick down, like him a point out and as if he pick down one day or whatever to my cousin.
Mm-hmm.
But the star apple when I want my cousin pick game is that my cousin never want to give it because it was a, you know, sometimes you want the best one them for yourself.
Mm-hmm.
And my cousin never want to give it. And the man I said, what me say, like him I take up the stone now, like him I go fling up to my cousin. Yeah, you get me to like him want to stone the man with the tree. So me say,
wow.
Me are the peacemaker now, you me come in, alright, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, don't fling up time. I got this to pick them one for you. He gone out pan that. When me say slim, you know, or lim mag, you know.
Slim lim.
It's a slim lim me take down this. Boy. Oh boy, man. I know so when I go out, Liz, and I reach out for it, you know, them have a thing and them say star apple mean.
Yeah, me hear that already.
Yeah, me feel like the star apple was the meanest star apple in the tree. I go up on the little marga limb and stretch out my hand to pick the star apple, Liz. Me and get
Stretch out your hand, how rum?
so. And get the limb that I broke off with me now, you know. And I could have done at the moment is just hug up the limb. I feel like the limb.
You say hug up the limb and do it down.
Yeah, I could have done just hug up the limb.
I can't laugh now.
Yeah,
Oh,
just grab on the limb, man. And I remember in the moment when I met the fall, you know, I just close my eyes. I don't know what I could have done at the moment because I was way up in the top of the tree there. What am I going to do now? I mean, the limb alone is not like there's anything else when we can grab onto, so I just
oh God.
just go with the flow, man. And the limb drop a dirt with me. And like the limb drop on top of me, like so me drop on my back.
Yeah.
But me feel like it helped me to break the fall in a sense because, you know, I don't know if I explain it. Imagine like you come down to a tree then, and then whatever branch you hold on pan, like it has slow down on the other branches.
Yes.
Instead of me alone, I get the fall. You know?
Yeah.
But me remember, so when me drop on my back, it's like, me just, like in a made me, I said, but a pure stone on another tree, so a stone me I drop on, but luckily me never drop on a stone.
Thank God.
And me say, me don't know what I go on for about 3 minutes.
Wow. So you knock out.
Yeah.
Knock out.
Yeah, me don't know what. I wrong with this with the car now? You can't enter through here, so don't.
No, exit.
I exit.
So you
Oh,
pass
my
the
God.
turn.
I've got turn back then. But alright, me find out nice go with a turn. But Liz, me I tell you, say for about 3 minutes me nah like me don't know what I go on until me just wet up like somebody throw a bucket of water upon me. And I saw me come back to myself like I saw me get to revive. Aww. Yeah man. The only thing I could remember saying, like remember saying, try if you say, I couldn't, I don't think the words come out. Is that me I say? And as a father God, make me dead. Remember me can't sing.
Really?
Yeah.
You never remember the part I said?
Yeah. And boy.
Wow. Mommy did that Jamaica them time?
No man, them time mommy start this overseas work program. I know them time there. So probably the first year too. Liz, me say when we get up in a man, me start stretch. I mean I do some of the footballers stretch them way. You know you get up and you know, like you work the waistline and thing. Yeah. Before the man them sorry for me, I laugh, the man them start laugh because them say, you good, like them say, good man, not no do boy. Yeah, like me never start feel no real pain until Damien, to my cousin father, who did I come from him farm. Him I come from him farm and him just put me on him bicycle and carry me go home. And when me reach home now, I start feel the pain them, you know. I say me feel some breed of back pain there. And I say no, something wrong with me. This is not normal.
Yeah.
And I start crying. Them the time I start crying, I realize say I can't bend down, I can't do nothing at all. I can't even walk. You know, I feel some wicked pain, man. And if I remember good, my auntie now, they say, you know, we have to carry to the hospital. You know? And normally people that travel from Stepney go Alexandra.
Yeah.
That are the closest hospital.
Yeah.
When you go Alexandra, them say, yo, a sentence be me have to go. You know? Cause the pain that I feel and what them feel like based on what we explain happened to me. Them couldn't solve me with this sentence be hospital, I'll pick me up, man. At the end of everything, them tell me say, and I'm like my waistline pull out.
Really?
Yeah. I couldn't bend, I couldn't do nothing for myself really and show him. I hardly could have walked, but hardly could have walked. I'm giving some medication and it took me a good while before I come back. A good while. We never knows now. Which side your uncle is? Around side there, right?
So you just find one park around this and just walk across.
Yeah. But I tell you, man, that was a moment, listen, me say. Some knows star apple the meanest fruit in the world for real. Cause it make me pull out my back. Eh?
Wow. Babes?
Over here full.
Babes.
Never knows is jumper. What you say, Liz?
Rain check.
Is no ice cream for you again?
Too full, man. You never realize that.
Yeah, where wrong, man? But can't park everywhere. Right now I don't think we can find a park.
Okay, it's alright. One next day.
Well, lucky thing you're not pregnant now because
yeah, and the line in there long.
Line, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not gonna work at all.
Yeah.
At least we get the drive over.
But I feel like, that's why you know, say people really want to and get out of the house now.
People are over it, you know, but when they get out of the house, they just have to just take the necessary precautions.
Yeah. But boy, I tell you this.
Just go for a supermarket here.
Yeah, that's supermarket then.
Go pick up the stuff them we never get to pick up. The few, so you get most of the stuff.
So because Lizzie send me to the supermarket the last time, I never get a few things. I'll get the rest of it. Just a few.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Liz, but me tell you, that's a moment.
Yeah, you don't ever forget that one.
Never forget. Never forget.
No, me know why me not like star apple.
Mean, man.
Almost met me. Now meet my husband. Hello, somebody.
But I want to, Liz, I want to say, since that day too, it's like my love for star apple did just fade, you know.
Then I must remain
traumatized. Trust me, my love for it did just fade, man.
Waves.
Yeah, we are the climb tree.
But remain, you know, so it look like you didn't look a bit too free spirited and young.
No, as a youth man, oh yes, man.
Tell me how you did you scrape up your hand the time in a tree. No, another tree in the truck.
The truck?
Yeah. No, you probably forgot to tell a story when you're at home.
Yeah, I've got to tell a story.
So you can show how you did that. No,
oh my god.
Enough story you have, you know?
Oh,
and Virgonation, like some of them tell me them 2, 3, 4 times. But a good stories. Someone to share them with them.
Oh, the best story, man.
Even though night come down, I'm gonna forget my ice cream. I'm still glad I get to come on the road. Right, mama? Drive out. One is sleeping, fast asleep. And the other is wide awake, smiling.
Alright, so we almost reached supermarket now, Virgonation. Oh, stoplight, stop. How long time we do this in all this? Night supermarket.
Yeah.
Like,
In the supermarket at night come down.
well, yeah, but actually I go when like night I come down in that sense. It's been a
But
while.
the good thing about it is I know whole heap of shopping I have to do.
Well, there's a few things that I missed the other day. Right? Watch a man, you see that?
Accident nearly happened.
Jeez.
But
I have to focus on the street, yeah, man.
yeah. But wouldn't you say out of the man at the back fault because he might press too much?
Alright. Nice.
Wow, we should say
Yeah, I should recognize.
yeah, that's nice.
That is nice. Yeah, bless. Respect, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna come over there, yeah? Refine it.
Closer parking.
I think I had some park there when you Andrew.
Come. Okay. Close park. Just jump out and jump in.
Good.
Virgonation, you don't know me, I have to put on my armor. So I'm gonna get a few things. I'm just gonna go get the few things that Romy didn't get when he did the challenge, and I'll be right back, okay? I don't know if I'm gonna keep him company still.
See ya.
Don't indulge in any talks with him if he might chat me. Let me know, okay?
Alright. Goodbye.
Listen, I never have my camera rolling a while ago. A while ago, Zoe and get 2 bags to me now and left them with me. And before me know it, somebody come take them with you. Oh, see me running down to the box. But we get back with box, Zoe and catch him. No, gee, you know what? See me in here. Because I come to the supermarket and forget my bag then. Fail.
A few moments later.
It's not easy to entertain them when they're own. Right now, I know some my phone bill I got turn up.
So I'm in line waiting to cash out, but yeah, my face feel full of so much things happening. People clean in the face feel. Don't be a leak. Don't be a leak. Don't even know if I can hear me right now, but if you can, blink. I mean, I'm gonna leave it at my way for me. I'll just hurry up.
Liz, me glad you come back.
It's okay, my beautiful girl. It's okay, mama. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
You get everything what you're going to forget, babes?
Everything. Including what I'm never going to forget.
No.
But we did need some things. And we just said, sure, why leave it for another day?
Supermarket, you was tired to see your face.
Yeah. So Virgonation in there too.
Yeah?
Virgonation fam.
Okay, Virgonation, so we're back home safe and sound. Hope you enjoyed our little family vibe on the road, you know? Remember to click the subscribe button right now. Tell a friend about the Virgos. Until our next video, stay safe.